very extensive and good. And I'll be share me. And I say, what I ask for. And I also say theology. And to so do. A ya na enye. And I'm missing out and say, what do you also think? I say, where they made a meaning. And I was now only now, over so to money man. But say, oh, break a crack.
Yeah.
Mamin fiase free. Why the problem?
Okay.
Nefi, men work a little bit of theology into the nature of it.
Okay.
And as I'm saying, Holali has really set a stage. This issue about tithing, any ahons and seven, amaya who obey me so, and sa conversation started here. Back the United States of America, and about also Nigeria. And as our discussion started, kitty pa. Nigeria, you must say, on population, a bear or hunting will do 51%
Christians, yes.
Much as a 56%, they are living below the national poverty line. Much as a number say what a sorry hurumu, sorry about could be say Redeemed Church of God, Pastor Adeboye also.
Yes.
Now some management they are over 5 million.
Sorry about
Yes. Now, much as say we share say Nigeria a very large Christian population. Now so some population way bebre enso ewo enkofa woni hwe wo ye here for or ho kire won. And the argument was that say tithe paying say eno na boa ema enema koyi say na boa ema hunya sika. And the Nigerian church no should be a church, and Christians should be a group of Christians are almost capable. So that's where the argument began.
Okay.
Then some of the pastors in Nigeria began raising comments. If you say Christ never collected tithes, if you say Malachi 3:10, it was for priests. If you say say no Nigerian pastor is a Melchizedek. And or Melchizedek no Nigerian war. But also say Melchizedek or Jesus no once.
Okay.
Yes, and some were very wild out. What can somebody say? Or you can say fools are those who pay tithes.
Hey.
Yeah. Emma, when you are done, sorry, I can see I'm no. If he has said they are fighting back. And here, for example, yeah, Papa Adeboya, at the point I'm quoting maybe I'll say, if God curses you, where will you go? Avoid divine curses like a plague. Please pay your tithe. But who can say, why won't your tithes no go heaven? And my later or Baby Pacho say we dear one can he. And Bishop de Ponso by Ebe in one. And Ebinoso, Pastor Sam Adeyemi,
yes,
or you're very critical on this part. And to buy a senior pastor for Daystar Christian Center Lagos. Also, tithe as practiced under the law of Moses has expired.
Okay.
The death and resurrection of Jesus Christ have put paid to it. People should not give out of fear. Now they had I think we and everywhere will be an analysis of all the big pastors in Nigeria. No wealth. In fact, Bishop Maikunku no kahon, Pastor Matthew Ashmolo no kahon, Pastor Ariboye no kahon, Pastor Kese Yaklime no kahon, Bishop Edipo no kahon. No, just say ocean wealth. Now they to talk members and with them manua.
Yeah.
Just say God no so. Now the argument they made was that and yet tithe here na mas ankrofo yi. Enye sika na. Okay. Ena wa winipa Abel Damina. Also I got obia. So Abel Damina no ono ye say wo behwe tight no mu yie pa wo wurem papa. Now on make statement be or say in this time I was the baba of prosperity message. Okay. I preached prosperity to the point that I was lost in it. I knew some of the scriptures I was quoting were not well interpreted. I knew something was wrong somewhere. I was actually fed up. And he took a turn around and said, as a preacher for prosperity, no, often I say, no, any APA near the tithe, I'll be for now, the argument in your study, Ebedamina argument in a 6 argument against tithe. The D kind of say, also Hebrews 7, Eka say, Abraham ate your tithe, Edima Melchizedek. Yes. Ebedamina say, when you look at Hebrews 7 now, Malachi 3, it amended it. If we say, when you're in the Levitical line one, yes, you buy line not a sign. And to be able to me also for. So there's no need to pay tithe to any Levitical lineage again. Let me show Ebedamina the reasons. Sure. The second point, I say the New Testament never collected tithe. Okay. And to memo be into your tithe. The third, they say tithing under threat is fraud. And to man we know that fraud. It's fraud. The fourth one, they say, yani that say give us also there who give you other you lack because a transactional sometimes say here can say nyankopon be yade but nyame na dey sir and also Christians are called to give cheerfully. That's what the New Testament teaches. Okay. But here the way you done tithing we make it look like a yoshe a legalism. I think in James chapter 2 verse 10 the odimra ni nyina so no timu ba akon also often. Okay. And finally, I'll say, given it shall be given is transactional. Insanity. Now, minia 6 key reasons quickly. Okay. Auntie Uncle Focus at your Titan. Bakome and say Titan was under old covenant. Yes. Second one is say the manipulation and fear. Yeah, they can't and no, and a man of authority. Fourth, especially individual-led churches, no. So for not to have to aircrafting now. Some other churches are not like that. Led by a group, it's a team. It's anybody or dama on what you say. Discussion on the fascia. It's a council and the shia near shit. And to the Utia, Master depending will say, Utia ties are P, you account for it. I was there to know. And now, the fourth region here, the economic burden. One a cassette ties Nigeria and the US and say, Obisika crowd benya. I was audition fee no. Now, you know, so at the cases, a man say when to Yamia Cassino. And if it is just say, number 5, lack of accountability. Say, it's me more contact, you would ye is equal. And the last one here, almost a prosperity gospel, no pressure, me too much. From a yame, no, Mamisha, maybe as well to your ties, I say, who to your ties are, when you come on best stop it, my mon. That is the danger of the transactional gospel. But mommy, just the next 5 minutes. Okay. Now, me Tracy Adiana Kakra, everybody in say, Sadia, I can pass him a cura, and he free. What happened? How did it happen? If you are simply the origin in Tiasakakra, the part of Tithe Triano, predates even the Bible. It predates the Bible. Okay. In fact, my historical search be, I'm going to say, 2,000 years before Christ, yes, Mesopotamia, Babylon, Sumeria, Babyana, Abraham, Freebano. They collected 10% tax from harvest. Need trade beer over to your Ediama Asofo, and Asofo I want to hear, and Asofo you make about traditional priests. To say Abson for those days because now I'm a money. Now omo to be so ama royal projects ti say sika no ye de ma for asofo no eye abosonsoma asofo any project aye. Number 2, 1,500 years before Christ in Egypt. Now pharaohs no levy 1/10 of sikebia, so temples utia edema temples like Amura ni almost mo kese ba ko a almost say the sun god.
Okay.
And to wetuya tithe na oji tithe no every grain, livestock and goods.
Yema me ensay.
And oji tithe piece.
Okay.
Efe Phoenicia and Canaan 1,200 years before Christ. Now I'm on the tithe Emma date like Baal. What a Baal na Baal.
Yeah.
I'm to a tithe man. Melkat, I'm to a tithe man. And in fact, I'm to a tithe man. I want to hear the temple of these gods. Greece ni Rome 700 years before Christ. Now Greece no a tenth of Decati. Decati. A tenth of spoils, goods. Romans no the sa partner at the support the Roman government. In fact, ebi kwa say omo di bi kwa ma Hercules. Okay, Hercules story. Hercules na emani bi. And afei na state no so eje sa title bi. And one say historically na ya de a na ye.
Yeah.
Ena Abraham nyame frɛ no free the Sumerian kingdom no. Ena nyame frɛ no. Woko ntokwa Genesis 14 no. Woko ji ono ane wofase.
Yes.
Waji ni oba no shia the king of Salem, Melchizedek. Will be answer no.
Willingly.
And that's a very important point to emphasize. He was not under any obligation, but it was an existing practice and
now before
Christ and your friend and willingly Abraham paid sa tithe or the man. And also found Shirano. The second time I tithe yet after Abraham paid, Abraham ba Isaac went to a tithe. But Nana Jacob ate your tithe. And Genesis 28.
Okay.
I better won't join you for New Year in channel. And would be your die now. Okay, you may say, Raddy. So, Bob and Hobby. Namiko, Namiko. Dear Mina. Such tithe na Jacob is with you a transactional.
Okay.
The tithe pay, he was not mature than his grandfather. Okay. His grandfather Abraham paid it willingly. But he paid it transactionally. And it means that so I'll come by and when ya go on to ya.
Some go leave you.
Go on to ya. Do it, go on to ya. I say me call me so. I'm a comba. And the opa opposite me to ya.
Any mamma cobra.
Any cobra. I say, what was the purpose? Moses and Manos until one say Abraham to ya.
Yes.
Anna, Nana, Jacob to ya. Yantibia until Unyamema ye Israel for free in Kwasumo. And I feel Moses diomanim ediomoko. And a Moses shemra. Now there were 5 purposes.
Okay.
Intia Sam Ranabai. Bakono was that never said Omode support the priesthood. If it's a yeche assassin, priest no Yamomubi. All the 12 tribes in you. Okay, Numbers 18:21.
Numbers 18:21.
Yamomubi. And to Onyame episode of fit tight na a levy for no priest no or show. Number 2 was for the vulnerable, the invalids. And foreigners, strangers. So Ubenya Ahoho, Deuteronomy 14, Ubenya Bibi Eddie. MFA foster worship and joy. Because no more Deuteronomy 14, no more tithe be a Utuyano for communal reason for can I say festival.
Okay.
And to Utuya Obiabako no Bianya Eddie. MFA, it was just to acknowledge God. That God is the owner of the world. Leviticus 27 verse 30. It is a Osha backgrounds in the bar. Not to say there was a very good reason why they were paying tithes.
Sure.
Okay. Now, may I call the kinds of tithes? Now, mean a boss, I mean some boss.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are two levy for. In fact, there are 3 key tithes. 3 key.
3
key. The Messiah Rishon, and on levy for the, you know,
Okay.
every year.
Once a
Every
year.
year once.
Okay.
A supporter levy for any amount survey at the tabernacle. Say obedity.
Okay.
And the ABS is happening, organist or na pianist or
Send a holali etonyo mo.
now more de bois holali. It makes a lot of sense.
Okay.
So when this kind of honorable piano now, then on the Bible two.
David.
1 2. I was saying maybe. So the levy for tithe, 10% of what they receive. Now I'm also at 10%. So Amunya, they also give a tithe on the tithe.
Okay.
Okay. They give a tithe on the tithe. And I remember now, Ebin say Malachi. No? Now he was talking to the priest. Said they are not paying tithe. Or no, just also to your tithe. And the second one, no, the festival tithe. I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a year. Obetia, Mase Shenim. And no, also set aside for the tither's own family to celebrate before the Lord at Jerusalem. It was a sacred feast of thanksgiving and communal worship. Okay, Leviticus Deuteronomy 14:22. And a third one, the poor.
Yeah, they feel more bro.
And every third year, Masai Ani. And I say, stored within the towns and given to the foreigner, to orphans, to widows, and Levite. A communal welfare provision. I don't know what Deuteronomy 14:20-29.
Okay.
To what we say, tithe no crown, different. Oh, okay.
But as a papa, ni ayenimi ye ba ko pe no na 10% de ba ko pe no nkwa ni enimu. Ala wona mo kire.
We akwa bone pa. O de meba ho. Na me pese me kire ni ma be 3-4 ntiasa debate yaba. The edikan debate yaba because some churches did not disciple members properly. Na me kire say.
Okay.
So for me the members anymore. Now make about tithe. Now me establish a very sweeping point. The truth of the matter is that a pound for from a beer yesu ka tithe one some pay. I will Matthew 23 wa. Now all catchers say, woe to you, you give 1/10 of your spices, mint, dill, and cumin, but you have neglected the more important matters of the law. What is that? Dash or say justice, mercy, and faithfulness. Or person just say tithe, paying, and yet the most important matters of the law. He is not condemning it.
Yes.
But the person can say, as I say, mama ni eko ni mi
Here potin no. Okay.
And I say you should have practiced the latter no any justice, mercy, and faithfulness, without neglecting the former. Or person just say, "Who to your tithes now? The spices, or mint, dill, and cumin. Who to your bonnet?
Okay.
Now, there is a weightier matter. It is a skill of preference. They are also no very important. Justice, mercy, any kind of say faithfulness, no greedy. And I say, I'm saying just say you offer also. Now, there's a challenge that I'm throwing across to all pastors.
About who throw a challenge in area?
Maybe say, Mama, just 3 minutes. One, they say, yeah, a church tithe. That's the first point.
Fear.
We weaponized the teaching of tithe wrongly. And you have a church a tithe. Make I present one of our churches. Now, I taught tithe from a loving perspective. I was blown apart. My church say, yes, and you tithe baby. Apostles no and you tithe baby. But the principle there is sacrificial giving and generous giving. Meaning, my tithe tripled. You. I taught it out of love. The Nyamia Yamano. So, what you seek? Psalm 24, verse 1. The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. And to work with Ejuma. Now, see, Obama, 1/10, and Nyamia, and Yabonibia. Obia na me catch on say obi catch on say tithe e your share when nyambedum bia can say me na me elder I don't have me say e no correct. Now the New Testament teaches us say we should generously give.
Free
payment sacrificially give. So what church tithe sir me say free home. My tithe tripled.
Wow.
Not just say the weaponization
influence
fear one tia bonsame obedi fear obabewu obenya it is against the ethos of the New Testament. New Testament and church da say one tia bibi enyame adom finally eja ansana mesana di no
okay
and say tia say obia ogine ho ka say one tia ties are not to say bika we am robber
robber
be ebusafo me yesofo
we no ROB no bi no
mesremo it's untenable scripturally. You can't defend it theologically.
Oh sir,
under the New Testament you can do that.
Okay,
my members ehunu ye yasore se Pentecost ye the principle na church tithe ye de yitum say utua eye na principle of the church tithe no last in the penny for the buy sacrificial giving. Free whooping and your share. Nama and the house of Pentecost say ye imprinted
tithe book.
Debbie imprinted. But members it church has so say yes what you are. And me who say na me and Emma at the number. They can say asofo ni be edi tithe pay na be your weapon. Omo de hu members.
Okay.
Omo de do members. Omo de can someone enye edi members. Yes. Number 2. One to ya ebinim enye ukrafi asore mpanyini mu.
One to ya tithe ya ma mpanyini.
Dabi won ya panyini bi ya yi beto nchen. Wo yesa pa na ntimi ba o. Afarba hodo na aka no. Eno so ye den. Because obi na example. Me kwaya adma etia me 2000. Me ta say
200.
Okay, me tia. O ba afore.
Memma.
O le temi o. O ba afore. O say ye me ba afore mfa mbo aso no. Me the 200,000 abetum. O ka che me say. Men tia tithe 2,000.
200 cedis no.
200,000 abetum no.
Anu ye dia.
Nya medo me. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Our theology is what? Mami fancy sa point you know me ni no mbremo. What you have New Testament principles, me should not list the principles.
Okay.
Share number 1. 1 Corinthians 16:2. I say each must give with clear income.
Okay.
A proportional. Give proportional to your income. 2 principle a voluntarism. And your share. 2 Corinthians 9:7. Not under compulsion. 3 a cheerfulness. Principle no. And your legalism, cheerfulness. God loves a cheerful giver.
Yes.
2 Corinthians 9:7. 4 a generosity. Or say the odian in chichimono. Obefi in chichim etwa. The odian befu no. Obefi befu etwa. 2 Corinthians 9 says, last dragon. Sacrificial giving. Luke 21:1-4. The widow gave more than the rich out of her poverty. You say, well, free him and mama. Sacrificial giving. Okay. The next one here, purposeful purpose. Just okay. Each decides in his own heart to give. 2 Corinthians 7:9. The last one here, you give secretly. A principle. Also, what they come ma Emma Kura Matthew 6:3-4.
Now you're the bad, this is the bad near trading.
And the last one, no, trusting. You give, God supplies every need. Philippians 4:19. My God will supply.
Right.
And me pacho. The point I'm making and say, I am not against tithing. So be pese utia mention in Christ untia. And near the boa asonon. Na mo so be at the pen bejina ho. Say kwasi yes mas went to ya dome obenti went to ya obeko hell. Went to ya akonwa ofie. Such teachings are New Testamentally, they are unbiblical and they are against the ethos of the New Testament theology.
Right. We Reverend Professor Joseph Osafuadu. In fact, once a halali born in SOMPA.
Professor.
Now, Prof.
Hello.
Prof. Answer me call lawyer Keke Seveso. We in a minute. You see, in fact, I saw for now church who say bibia eba wonsem sika bia mpo say wonam no bi che sika kura say we so tight. Obi chow bibi even gift cry na say we so tight. And on sorry. We in a minute.
Just answer on the kind, no. Anytime the churches descend into the space of legalism, we've lost it.
Science will home.
Anytime the churches or the church descends into a space of legalism on anything, we've lost it.
Wow.
And see, very careful. And yet, or shit, the New Testament never forces anybody to give.
Okay.
On for Sobia, it was cheerful, generous, sacrificial. Obi to me, Chamarie. Maybe uncle, maybe uncle.
Okay.
How about that one? Or Chamarie, my new one city. Me kwa asore one baby. Me preach na abranti bit ho. And I kept Obi share me $100. I kept. I even say, me first can I say come. And I'm here me the man. I know you there. I was Obi Anshame. And see, I saw him say, yet the team members no, so that they will generously and volitionally and no share. No one for Obi the fear be for you. And also you there. Obi the cast 4 abeba for you. And also you there. Obi see so that 10. And their chance and also you there. Mami no repeat. Anytime the church descends into a space of legalism, we've lost it.
Anytime the church descends into legalism, the space of legalism,
we've lost it.
We've lost it.